Hey, let's do our daily ACT practice problem. So a couple things we're going to be looking at fractions here: adding, dividing, subtracting, and multiplying. So remember a couple of things. When you multiply two fractions, you multiply across the top. So it's A times C over B times D. When you divide two fractions, then you actually are really multiplying by the reciprocal. So it becomes A times D over B times C. And when you add and subtract, you need a common denominator. So we're going to work inside parentheses first because that's the order of operations for us. So we're going to have 1/2 out here plus, and then we're going to do this problem. 2/3 divided by 4/3 is the same thing as, divided by 3/4 is the same thing as times 4/3. Then we're going to subtract off the product of these two. So it's going to be 4 times 5, which is 20, over 5 times 6, which is 30. Okay? So let's combine these and we get 8/9. So 8/9 here, because I multiply across. 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 3 is 9. And we're going to take a half and add it to that, and we're going to subtract off. And notice we can get rid of these tens here, divide top and bottom by 10, and we have 2/3. So we now have, let's go ahead and add these two fractions together. So we're going to get a common denominator of 18, right? We're just going to multiply those. So we're going to multiply this one top and bottom by 9, and this one top and bottom by 2. So then we have this new fraction, 9/18 plus 16/18. And then we're going to come out, once we solve that, we'll subtract our 2/3. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So now we have 25/18 minus 2/3. So we need a common denominator between 18 and 3. And 18 is a common denominator, so we just have to multiply this one, top and bottom, by 6. So now I have 25/18 minus, now I multiply across, 2 times 6 is 12, over 3 times 6, which is 18. And now I retain the denominator now that it's the same and subtract the numerator. So 25 minus 12 is 13. So our answer is 13/18 or C.